Zoleka and Kawa are not coping with this rift between them caused by Mawethu. Zoleka and Tlhathi are finally divorced. Tlhathi goes to beat up Umawethu for sleeping with Zoleka. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Uzoleka is not coping. Useleke khala, not njalo. She's crying. Uthumeka is there to comfort her. It's all a mess, and they can't even sit and talk about it so that he can get clarity. Tlhathi decides to go to Mawethu's house to beat up Mawethu. Did not even say anything. Wafika nje athi wena kwedini wamshaya ngeface. Azama ukulamula ke umzala wakhe. Uthumeka was furious saying ukuthi you know what, when you just said ukuthi Mawethu lele noZoleka, you are not even doing this because you protect Demascaqhawe. You're doing this for yourself. You're acting like a jealous boyfriend. Because Umawethu touched something that's valuable to you, something that you don't want to let go of. Your heart is still in there. That's why you're acting this way. You're not even doing this for Qawe. Tlhathi feels like, hi, this is nonsense, man. Tumeka, you know that very well. And then Tumeka just you feel good. This person is sort of like, it's not that Uzoleka moved on, but it's because he moved on with someone who makes you feel small. And then Uqhawe goes to Epalette to talk to Umganwake. Zoleka sees her there, goes to her to try and talk to her. Now Mawethu naye sees them and goes over there, disturbing a moment that maybe they could have heard and talked. Remember, figure out Uqhawe is now furious. What are you two doing here? Are you guys stalking me or what? But no, it's not like that. So you know what? I don't even want to listen to any of you. When I'm Mawethu, I'm gonna come over tomorrow to get my stuff. And then Uthumeka talks to Thandeka, telling her, just in the way Tlhathi acted, I feel like he will never get over Zoleka. I'll never be good enough for him. And then Tlhathi goes to Zoleka to tell Guti how Zoleka, how can you sleep with your boyfriend Yumtanako? This is very evil, even for you. That's very, very low. Zoleka is like, you know what? When Tlhathi, you've never respected anyone, and you just made nje because you could. Umawethu did something you could not do. Something you could not do and you could not satisfy me and all that. And then Tlhathi, I was like, you know what? At least I'm finally gonna marry a woman, a real woman, Utumek. Wow. And then Tlhathi goes to talk to Butwake, Tulani. Tulani is short with house, sure, I saw sugar mama manje. And then basi 3 shots comes Lukanyo. Tlhathi goes over to Lukanyo to talk to him about him wanting to come and pay Lowala for Tumek. What Lukutela Lukanyo be like, so Neinki is not even dry yet on your divorce papers and you're already wanting to come back kwa Bikicha to marry sister Zoleka. You have no shame, yes, Tlhathi. You know what? We don't want you there. We're not going to accept any Lowala from you. And then Tlhathi gets home and tells Tumeka to uthini Lukanyo. I told Tumeka, they're not going to control happiness yakhe. Yena noTlhathi, you can just go and sign kwa Home Affairs. He uthini na Tumeka. I told Tlhathi, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do things the right way. Either your family accepts it or you do things the right way, or I'm not going to marry you. And then Zoleka Nonqeba comes over to bring divorce papers saying, it's fine, you're officially divorced, this is your divorce decree. Akasavuyanga uZoleka. And then she says Tlhathi also got his copy. Tlhathi is sitting there. For the first time, finally, Tlhathi is now taking off his wedding ring. He's been wearing it this whole time, imagine. And then Usidni talking to his wife saying that he's not going to go down alone. If Uzoleka and Lazarus want to take him down, Nanje is taking them down with him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.